In this video, we will learn how to attempt Retell Lecture. First, log in to see your dashboard. Here, you will find the practice section on the left side of your screen. Click on the practice section. Then, click on the Retell Lecture. You will find a list of Retell Lecture questions here. From here you can see the question that you have not attempted before. And you can click on the page number here to go to any page. You need to take care of an important thing before you attempt speaking section. Ensure that you are using microphone from a good quality wired headset. If your microphone is not working properly, you will not be able to evaluate your speaking attempt. Now, click on the title of any question to open it. Here, you have an audio which can be of 40 seconds, 50 seconds or even 1 minute. After listening to the lecture, in just 10 seconds, you have to start speaking into the microphone. Or if your timer is not on, then click on green Start Answering button for microphone to record. Once the recording will start, you will see the pitch meter and speech pace meter moving. The pitch meter tells you how low or high your pitch is. Those who have a bass in their voice have a low pitch, and those whose voice is sharp usually have a high pitch. Now, low pitch is usually not an issue, but sometimes girls have unusually high pitch, and such girls usually struggle to score in Pearson PTE speaking. So, if your pitch is too high zone, try to speak with a heavy voice like an older person. Now, speech pace meter is the more important one. You know that PTE speaking score depends a lot on the fluency, and good fluency score requires you to speak quickly at a constant speed. So, try to speak quickly without too many pauses, because when you take a break while speaking, it will bring down your overall speed. So, ensure that your meter does not fall below the green zone. Let us start speaking after clicking on Start Answering button. It will change from green color to the red and it will say Stop Recording. You can see the recording status bar here. Microphone will stop recording once this bar is complete. Microphone will also stop recording if there is a silence for several seconds. Once the recording is done, you will see in this question you have to speak for 40 seconds. After the recording of 40 seconds is done, saving your answer will come. And once the recording is done, you will see your voice analysis and AI scores. Now, here the content score means how accurately you have retell from the lecture what you have just heard. Oral fluency score means how good your speech was, and if you took any unnecessary pauses, the score will be less. Pronunciation score means how well you are pronouncing the words into the Retell lecture. You can click on this button to hear back your response. Now you can click on the next button here to go to the next question.